Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The official launch event for the highly anticipated Rebel Salute 2020 took place last night at the AC Marriott Hotel in Kingston. The event featured industry players, entertainers, sponsors, patrons, ministers and artists. Rebel Salute started out as a concert to celebrate the birthday of reggae icon Tony Rebel and has since evolved into an annual music festival staged by the Organic Heart Group of companies. The event has captured the adoration of roots reggae lovers worldwide. Reggae artist Queen Africa was in attendance at the launch and shared details on what to expect from the 2020 staging of the event.
Well, as usual, Rebel Salute never disappoint when it comes to natural energy. No alcohol, no meat, exception of fish. No profanities on stage, so it's all goodness, all high energy to start the year. And this year won't be different, you know what I mean? 2020, beginning of the 21st century, beginning of a decade, has to be a good vibe.
Queen Africa also spoke a new selectors dub segment that was added to the 2020 lineup.
We'll have Jack Scorpio with a youth from South Sudan, I think is Dynamics. And so they'll be showcasing trading dub plates.
The launch event also featured performances from reggae artists Imaruta Farai, Mortimer, Siobhan and George Nooks, who gave the audience just a preview of what to expect from their performances at the big show. Rebel Salute celebrates 27 years and will feature some of the top entertainment acts, including Don Penn. The event will also feature Ugandan politician Bobby Wine, who returns to the stage for a second consecutive year. Rebel Salute is scheduled for January 17 and 18 next year at Grizzly's Plantation Cove in St. Anne. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.